kitchen. Today on It's Vegan, I'm going to show you how I would make a salad for breakfast. To start with, I have cubed a potato and I'm going to fry that up in a pan. I've preheated my skillet. I'm going to spray it lightly with Pam. And now the potatoes go in. Some salt and some pepper. We'll come back and check on those while we're getting our salad greens ready. Decide what size plate of greens you want and transfer them into a bowl. Shake up whatever dressing you're going to have. That doesn't look so good, so out it goes. Lightly dress the greens. I'm not even using a whole tablespoon. Kind of rub the dressing into the greens. The salad tastes so much better when you dress it and rub the dressing into the greens. It just enhances their flavor. And now return them to your plate. Now, as flavoring, I'm adding a little bit of plant-based butter, and you can see what a small amount I'm using. The salad is dressed. I've got some sweet pepper drops, black olives, and pickled beets. Now it's time for those delicious potatoes. And really, that little bit of butter on the potatoes, that takes those up a notch. I hope you enjoyed visiting with us this week and that you'll try salad for breakfast. God bless you all.